Question number 16 question number 16 now. One, the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 cm and exceeds twice the length of the altitude by 1 cm. Find the length of each sides of the triangle. Triangle here, right triangle in P 90 degree. Right triangle here. One, right triangle here hypotenuse here, altitude here base. One, the question the length of the hypotenuse exceeds the length of the base by 2 cm. A base here hypotenuse 2 cm. So one, altitude in 1 in altitude is not taken to 1 twice the length of the altitude by 1 here. More altitude let here 1 bell. Hypotenuse also mention altitude he x can it. Let the length of altitude be x centimeter. Say altitude x and 1 hypotenuse to 2x twice the altitude by exceeds by 1 centimeter there 2x plus 1. So 1 hypotenuse le a base at taking down to the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 centimeter. A base to hypotenuse I here 2 in a claim 2x plus 1 minus 2. So let the length of the altitude be x centimeter hypotenuse to and hypotenuse to 2x plus 1 centimeter. Also the base length of the base will be 2x plus 1 minus 2 to 2x minus 1. Hey, that's all that. Can't allow it done. So a question I can do a question 2 and thing find the length of each side of the triangle. Triangle side here in this saying here song to ring the tani. Juan in thing here to can on chuang at Juan right angle triangle in Pekavangin Pythagoras theorem can triangle ABC Juan AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Using Pythagoras theorem we get hypotenuse to 2x plus 1. Hypotenuse squared is equal to altitude squared plus base square. Base square is 2x minus 1 2x minus 1 whole thing square. San 2 minus 1 to 1. So on kapot parang hi a square plus b square a plus b holding square ani a plus b holding square to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal to x squared to main ka top thaya plus a square a minus b holding square to a squared minus 2ab plus b square 1 square to 1 chuan tinga chuan cancel tur kam hal tani 2x holding square hi cancel thei ve a chuan 1 le 1 hi kan cancel thei ko kani chuan ange kan lo ni ta kan en lenga 2 2 are 4 4 1 is 4 4x kan le la chuan equal to x squared minus 4x tani hi le hi chuan cancel thei da sign ni chuan 4x le lama ka sun phei chuan ta hian 0 om do na 0 is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 4x ta ni chuan kas no le x squared minus 8x is equal to 0 kaloni ta ni he equation khi ka nei ta he equation chaw dan chu du le x common ai la thein upon 8x le lamai son phei theya tikhan a chaw thei ta ni chaw dan sang sang om hi chu tiang ka chok don ta ni x squared is equal to 8x ti tai la x pakhat ve ve in cancel chuan x chu 8 ti na ti lo puna chaw theya ti lo chaw dan chu x common ai lak chuan x common a kalak chuan x minus 8 ta banga chuan either kan ti kha x is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0 anti x to 0 pakata chuan x to 8 kai na renga chu 8 chan chu 0 i kan mang do no rima x therefore the length of each sides ka chaw thei ta ni length of the altitude to x ni ro second ti khani equal to 8 centimeter ania chuan length of hypotenuse hypotenuse length of the hypotenuse to 2x plus 1 nia 2x plus 1 to 17 centimeter ania chuan length of the base is on by 2x minus 1 2x minus 1 15 centimeter yang kan som chok tani le altitude hypotenuse le base of a right triangle tuna jong question number 17 kan enanga 17 question 2 the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is right angle triangle thau khamin anti leta the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is 6 centimeter more than twice the shortest side if the third side is 2 centimeter less than the hypotenuse find the sides of the triangle aram ti leta ni question number 17 a chuan ate ber atoi ber kha x kan ni ti ren let the shortest side be x centimeter chuan hypotenuse ka kan thei do na then hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse le equation kan the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 more than 2 is the shortest side as a better side shortest side let me a 6 ber tinani 2x plus 6 kha hypotenuse sei zong lo nia chuan third side kan ni ta third side kan ti ni nga side pathum thenga oma pakhat hypotenuse ni pakhat chu shortest side pakhat chu third side ti nga so many is 2 centimeter less than hypotenuse the hypotenuse a hian 2 centimeter ina to ya tilia chuan hypotenuse a ya 2 centimeter a to chu 2 pai ani mai dia chu 2x plus 4 centimeter dan chuan Pythagoras theorem kan tang lenga ni chin min kan 16 ang bok using Pythagoras theorem chuan hypotenuse square chu adang pani square wel khom ne na intluk ti khani hypotenuse chu 2x plus 6 holding square is equal to shortest side square plus third side square 2x plus 4 holding square kan chok thei to ni which implies kan tianga 2x plus 6 holding square to x squared plus 2 ab plus b square equal to x square nia plus hey a square plus 2ab plus b square mấy à hey nằm học cancel luôn hey đây so po mga lawin cancel thong thâu thâu 2 2s are 4 6 2s are 12 12 2s are 24 24x 6 6 are 36 equal to x square plus 4 2s are 8 2s are 16x plus 16 4 4s are 16 chuan hei ka thak thleng nga hei le lama ka da x square plus 16x pula hei hi aram phei chuan minus 24 chuan plus 16 16 pula 36 aram phei chuan minus 36 equal to 0 hei hi tiang ka chok chun chon hei le lama ka x square minus 24 16 ka phei chuan 8x minus 36 16 ka phei chuan 20 tuna splitting the middle term kan ne don ni number pani a multiply a 20 apaya 8 kan song don ni chu ang lengi ni mo apaya 8 10 2s are 20 10 le 2 contain 10x plus 2x minus 20 equal to 0 tianga common kala lenga x minus 10 common plus 2 common x minus 10 pa chuan ngi kan hu chu ka kan di chuan x plus 2 into x minus 10 is equal to 0 tianga ai da han ti lenga x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0 kan tia hei chuan x is equal to minus 2 kan neglect lenga x is equal to 10 kan la don thong ani therefore shortest side side toy ber chu 2 cm 10 cm x chuan hypotenuse chu hypotenuse chu 2x plus 6 nia 2x plus 6 chu 20 plus 6 chu 26 cm nia third side ato ber chu third side chu 2x plus 4 2x plus 4 nia chu 24 say di man chu 24 cm kan question number 17 kan zo le ni 18 18 solution 18 question 20 so yeah. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 square meter? If so, find its length and breadth. Rectangular mango groove. Thầy hai huan. Rectangle shape in asiam them. Asay zong chu avang zong le ni ta se. Chuan a area 800 square meter ni box se. A thei chuan a length le breadth in sa ni yang ati thei tu ranga yang chuan let the length let the breadth ate zo kha x kan ti ze lang let the breadth be x centimeter x meter ni chu meter kan ni bangin x meter kan tianga and length chu a breadth ai na le ti da tam the length will be 2x 2x meter kan siam chok ta chuan a question ni soi dan chuan area to 800 square meter ati oh mangrove roof ha so area of mango roof oh to 400 square meter chu area of mangrove roof fa englem nge kan di chun rectangle ani rectangle formula chu area of rectangle chu length into breadth ni so one x into 2x din ani oh x le 2x multiply to 800 din ani 400 din ani chu oh 800 sorry 400 din 800 din ani chu oh so one which implies I can multiply to one 2x squared kala 800 so one 2 in cái divide by so one 2 1 is 2 x squared is equal to 2 in 400 along here so one 4 square root of 400 so like that no 20 square so one people that x squared is equal to 20 squared square la square and cancel x to 20 so one alek le bread kan jong thai tin ani so therefore bread is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to 2x and is 1 2 times 20 to 40 meter ate khan 18 so na chuan 19 an lu oh 19 solution na tinga 19 na chuan ama bi ang thau khan is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter around the perimeter 80 meter ania area 400 square meter ati oh ani athai chuan if so find its length and breadth around the tani oh a length le breadth value jong ro ti ta length le breadth x le chuti khati to lo me oh length le breadth l le b mang me oh tin kan chong hat pop pop bang na question mi pek angin area to 400 square meter ati we have area of rectangle area to 400 square meter ati area of rectangle to length into breadth ni length into breadth chuan 400 at luk tin ani maya chuan length ka zon ama chau ka ta chuan x le y ang kan ni oh length is equal to length is equal to 400 by breadth equation 1 potang oh chuan next up perimeter po min pe ni perimeter of rectangle min pe perimeter of rectangle chuan 80 meter pe kha min pe kha 80 meter ani ati chuan perimeter of rectangle formula kan hri vek min ka hria kan hri ngi tu ni that is 2 times length plus breadth is equal to 80 so one 2 in a divide by here left hand side and right hand side 2 ka divide by chuan length plus breadth is equal to 40 equation 2 ti tai la chuan equation 1 khan L is equal to 400 by B ka dia 400 Li 400 by B ka ta ton ta ti kan chu substituting equation 1 in equation 2 we get tilenga Li 400 by y 400 by B kan mang ton ta ni 400 by B plus B equal to 40 Li khan equation 1 L chuan 400 by B tu ka dia equation 2 kan juk ta lu ta ni chuan LCM ka langa which implies LCM to B ania B nei tu ni wangin ang ai ka je ka plus ani velo wangin B ka ma B square chuan tikhan ka cross multiply thei chi a 400 plus b square le anoi 1 chu ngai 400 plus b square is equal to 40 into b chu 40b lo ni ka me ya chuan karem pelta a quadratic equation a ka chantir ni b square ma sapera he ron pe chuan minus 40b hei hi to peram chuan plus 400 equal to 0 tani chuan number ka jong dona ka split dona number pani a multiply a 400 a bela 40 chu 20 into 20 chu 20 plus 20 chu 40 dika 400 so 20 le 20 kan tur ni which implies b square minus 20b minus 20b plus 400 is equal to 0 tile a chuan ta chuan b a komuna b minus 20 banga minus 20 banga ta hian b minus 20 tho ron chuak le a chuan b minus 20 into b minus 20 ka ti chuan b tu pin ka jong chuak don ta ni a break ka chuan either b minus 20 is equal to 0 or b minus 20 is equal to 0 ai ang ve 20 ve chuak don ni b tu chu b is equal to 20 b is equal to 20 no neglect to pom no chuan b tuk pui hi equation 1 ngo 2 ta tai ra 20 thau chok do ni putting b equal to 20 in equation 1 apo dala 2 apo dala 20 thau chok do we get equation 1 ka da chuan L is equal to 400 by B near 400 by 20 to 20. Aleng le break ka in ang che tina chu. Atan chun som tai la. Therefore length 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 is equal to 20 meter, also breadth po 20 square ni itu rectangle ka square. Question number 19.